Student, once again welcome back to my online class. Dear student, I am Rahul Rajput, your math teacher of LPM Public School, and today we are going to discuss about the very important topic, that is SBSW 2020 and 2021. Yes, dear student, today we are going to discuss about the SBSW, that means summer vacation holiday homework. Dear students, the SBSW work will be divided into four parts. Is it clear? Yes, SBSW work will be divided into four parts. The first part is learning work, second part is written work, third part is activity work, and last part is very interested part, SSSW, that means self search homework. This is a very interested part, and once again we have to discuss about the all segment, all part for you. So dear student, look at the writing board and mind this every steps, because all steps is very important. So come on the point. The first part is learning work. So the learning work will be divided into five parts. The first is knowing about the number, second international number system, third Indian number system, fourth is units of length, mass and volume, and last, that is number of 5, more divisibility rules. Dear students, your learning work, that is first work, I am repeat once again. The learning work, the first is knowing about the number, second international number system, third Indian number system, four units of length, mass and volumes, and last the number of 5, more divisibility rules. I hope is that clear to everyone. And now that is second work, this is written work. Your written work is, mind this, because some exercise given for you for solve in your PC copy. So the written work is to solve question number 1 to 6 of chapter 1.2 and exercise number 1.2 also. Mind this, your written work do solve question number 1 to 6 of exercise 1.2, and then after you also solve question number 1 to 6 of exercise 2.2. Mind this, solve question number 1 to 6 of exercise 1.2, and secondly question number 1 to 6 of exercise 2.2, and similarly question number 1 to 6 of exercise 3.2, and question number 1 to 6 also we have to solve exercise 3.4. Okay, so the third work is activity work, and this is your very important one. Make a chart about the properties of whole numbers. हमें चार्ट पेपर पे वो सभी प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ होल नंबर्स के जो डिफिनीशन हैं उन्हें हमें राइट करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू एग्जाम्पल, जैसे क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी, कम्युनिकेटिव प्रॉपर्टी, एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी एंड द लास्ट इज दैट इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी. इन सभी प्रॉपर्टीज को हमें एक चार्ट पेपर पे अकॉर्डिंग टू सीक्वेंस ड्रॉ करनी है. अंडरस्टैंड? सो your activity work is, the first make a chart about the properties of whole numbers. The first properties of whole number is your closure property, you know very well, and second is communicative property, and third is associative property, and last that is distributive property. And secondly, make a file about the national number and whole number. सेकेंड जो वर्क हमारा है वो हमें एक फाइल में मेक अबाउट नेचुरल नंबर एंड होल नंबर. ओके, एंड लास्ट वर्क that is very very interested work, do itself, that is SSSW, self search homework. क्या इसमें? Write about two mathematicians and paste their picture on the file. First of all, you have to search two mathematicians and write down in the story of the two mathematicians with paste in two mathematician photographs. दोनों नंबर का हम क्या करेंगे, इस दो ऐसे मैथमेटिशियन के नाम को हम यहाँ पे राइट करेंगे, फाइल बनाएंगे और उनकी हिस्ट्री को क्या करेंगे, ड्रॉ करेंगे. सो ऑल सेगमेंट विल बी कंप्लीटेड. डियर स्टूडेंट, आई एम रिपीट वंस अगेन, everybody listen carefully. The first work, that is learning work. Your learning work will be 5 kinds. The first is knowing about the numbers, second is international number system, third is Indian number system, and 4 units of the length, mass and volume. Is it clear? And more divisibility rules. This is your learning work. And dear students, your written work, do solve the question number 1 to 6 of exercise 1.2 and question number 1 to 6 of exercise 2.2 and question number 1 to 6 of exercise 3.2 and last question number 1 to 6 of exercise 3.4. I hope, is that clear to everyone? And the part of the third, that is activity work. Your activity work given here, make a chart about the properties of whole numbers, that is closure properties, commutative properties, associative properties and last distributive properties. And dear student, one more activity work doing here. The second is make a file about the natural number and whole number. I hope, is that clear to everyone? And last work, that is self search homework. Write about the two mathematicians and paste their picture on the file. I hope, is that clear to everyone? Dear students, ये आपके समर वैकेशन होमवर्क का ये हमारा वीडियो है. इसे आप जब भी दिक्कत होगी, आपको होमवर्क करते समय आप इसे बार बार चेक करेंगे, बार बार इसको देखेंगे और अपने डाउट्स को दूर करके अच्छे तरीके से होमवर्क को करने का प्रयास करेंगे. अगर आपको कोई दिक्कत होती है तो आप हमारे कमेंट बॉक्स में भी उसको दोबारा से उस चीज़ों को आप समझ सकते हैं. वहाँ जैसे ही आपके कमेंट बॉक्स में मैसेज मैं देखूँगा, मैं तुरंत वहाँ पर रिप्लाई करूँगा. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड गुड बाय.